Good day everyone, I am Kimfran Garcia, and in this video we are going to setting up the remote desktop connection. So in this we're gonna check our connection, which is in the ncpa.cpl. So we're going to put our IP address, which is 10.10.22. After that we're going to our server manager and add roles and features. Add the Active Directory domain services, DNS server, DHCP, print and document services, and the last one is remote desktop services. So next, 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 and next one, and select the second one, which is the default gateway. Next, and click restart, automatic restart, and wait for it to load. So after that, we're going to promote the domain. So add a new forest, type your organization. I'm going to type my organization, which is garcia.org, and we're going to wait a little. So after that, we're going to type our password, which is CSS underscore 2024. So next, and we're going to wait our NetBIOS name to pops up. After that, if it doesn't pop up, we can manually put it. So we're going to type it in a uppercase or caps lock letters, and next. So next, and we're going to uh, wait for it to check the prerequisites. So after that, we're going to next step and wait a little longer. After that, it will automatically restart, and we should wait. So going to wait a little longer, and it will stop, and type your password, which is css underscore 2024. And you should always check if it is the correct password, because it will not work any reason of caps lock, or it is in a lowercase or uppercase. So after that, we're going to commit the DHCP, skip AD authorization. So after that, we're going to add the Active Directory users and computers, create a new organizational unit, type the our schools as which is STSHS, then OK, add the group, which is ICT 12, then click OK, then click a user. You should type your name there. I type my name. So after that, next, and check the password never expires, and type your password, which is css underscore 2024, and confirm it. After that, you're going to add to a group your user, and advance, find now, and find your group, which is the ICT 12. After you find it, you should click it, and After that, you're going to OK and OK. So after that, you are done to add to a group your user. After that, we are going to configure the DHCP. So we're going to activate it and refresh. After that, we're going to add a new scope. So we should go next. The name is SDSHS, and our our scope range 10.10.2 to 10.10.2.3 to 10.10.2.254, 10.10.2.3 to 10.10.2.5. Add and next. No, I will configure these options later. Next, and we're going to activate it and refresh. After that, we're going to scope options. So we're going to add our scope options, which is the 10.10.2.1. Then click add, apply, and OK. So after that, you're done. After that, you can now proceed to print management. So we're going to go to the port servers and expand it and click the printers. Add the printer next and select your printer that you want. Next, 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 and finish. After that, you're going to properties, then securities, then add. You're going to add your name. So click advanced, find now, and find your name, which is the Kimfran.org. Click OK, check the two boxes, and OK. After that, we're going to deploy it with policy, with group policy. So, OK, check that both boxes. OK, and check it both. Add, apply, OK, and OK. So after that, uh, you're going to CMD, and you should go GP update slash force to update the print management. So you're going to type there GP updates slash force. You're going to wait it to complete successfully, and you can now type the exit. After that, you're going to your files and go to your this PC, go to C, and add new folder and type folder right direction. Click OK. Okay, then properties, going to the sharing. After that, you're going to choose the everyone, add, change it to read and write, and share. Done. After that, you're going to open it again, and the properties, and copy that the network file. Okay, so x. So we're going to deploy or configure group policy management now. So we're going to our organizations or domain, rather, create a new GPO, type the folder right direction. Okay, right click it and edit. After that, we're going to the second folder, which is the policies, Windows settings, and folder right direction. We're going to select it the documents and put it in a basic, and the desktop basic, and the uh our link or that we copy. So after that, we're going to gp update for slash forced before we proceed to the our client. So yeah, we're going to wait a little longer. After you gp update, it will automatically ask you to fill it with yes or no or y/n. After that, you're going to put your password, which is CSS underscore 2024. So after that, we're going to wait a little longer. So next one is we're going to check the folder if it is now opening or the administrator is in there. So we should confirm it totally so that we can proceed with the other steps. We're going to find now the everyone so everyone can access this. So okay. Okay. After that, you should always check your LAN cables so it will not be bothered. We should always think it before we proceed with it. Well, other other folder, we're going to check it again. We're going to this PC and properties, select the domain or work group, and we're going to our first domain. So after that, we're going to type our domain, which is garcia.org, and yeah, click OK. So you're going to type your username, which is Kimfran, and your password, which is CSS underscore 2024. So after that, we're going to restart it. So we're going to wait a little longer for it. So we're going to type it the new server. So after that, we're going to our next laptop, which is the client. So we're going to type our, we're going to log in my username to the client. So we're going to discuss it a little longer than it is a usual. It will be the point of view of ours. So after that new, so after that we're going to open our control panel and confirm our printers and scanners. So it is totally working. After that, we're going to check our other sources of income. So we're going to type the cmd ipconfig/all. So yes, next one we're going to continue there. Close desktop properties, security, advanced, and change. Yeah, we're going to change that. We're going to select the everyone. Click OK. So after that, we're going to go OK. So after that, you will you should know the properties of each one. Okay. So after that, yeah, we're going to add it. Replace, apply, yes, okay. Then click OK. So after that, OK. As we can see in this folder, my text document is in here because it is connected already. After that, we're going to search for remote desktop connection. We're going to type our domain name, garcia.org. Then click connect. So after that, we're going to type the password and click yes. OK, and type the administrator, and the password is CSS underscore 2024. So yeah, the server is in already in the client, in the client's background, as we can see already. So it works perfectly. For removing, we're going to remove roles and features. The first one is the Active Directory domain services, and the other that we put earlier is also gonna be need to removed. So we should be a little patient to remove the roles and features. So we're gonna wait for it. Meaning our server, or rather the our client. So we're going to wait a little longer here. Oh, our server, pardon, CSS underscore 2024, and we're going to finalize to remove the rows and features. So after that, we're going to next it. So in this case, this video is supposedly in the earlier, before we remove rows and features. So it is in the last one because the vid is not currently working to adjust. So we're going to put it in the last one. So this shows how we work group the domain. We're going to change it into work group after we used it. So we're going to type the work group, click OK, OK. So we should wait a little longer, then click OK, OK, and close it. Click Restart now. So after that, we're going to remove our files. So yeah, we're going to our uh, properties of the each one of our folders, but you can also click the shift delete to automatically delete it, or to be more easy to delete it. So yes, we're going to secure it again like we did before we proceed or make the folders. So then click OK, then delete the files. So yes, after that we're going to remove the printer or printer. After that, our DHCP or our group policy management, we're going to delete our GPO. So okay, yeah. And after that, we're going to remove our DHCP scopes and options. So after that, we're going to remove it finally. We're going to demote the Active Directory domain services before we proceed to the other other roles that we also add. This will be the first one that we should remove because it will takes time again, or get our time to restart before we proceed. So thank you. I'm going to wait it. So after that, mm, we should wait a little longer to pops up again and go to our server manager. So after that, we're going to confirm it if it is already done. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.